It is a story of Whisker the cat and Bruno the dog. One day, Whisker watches a golden locket inside the mud. How can I take it? No, I can't. Bruno is watching. Whisker asked him to help. Bruno helped her. She see a photo in it. They planned to give it. She was very happy. They became good friends.